pag-asa pa naman si Yuri sa, ano, sa parallel bar. Tsaka sa boat. May pag-asa pa siya. Tsaka second best in performance siya dito eh. Guimaras Yuri of Brazil. Fifth best in qualification, 14.0 total score during qualification. Let's see if there will be an improvement. Ang galing to si Yuri eh. Wow, oh, sayang. Overpowered in over-rotation. Wow, what a height. Adjustment in the foot, maybe 0.1 deductions for that. May sugat si Yuri sa ano, sa arms niya, sa triceps. Great players, Yuri. Buti na lang, hindi siya napaupo kasi palagi siya napaupo eh. Nice one. Wow, double tuck, somersault. Great job. Three and a half twist. Oh, good one. Good landing, Yuri. Medyo walang gumagawa ng ano, no? Yung nag-gorny na somersaults. Awesome job, Yuri.
أداء كان جيد لكن للأمانة ما بياخذ أفضل من اللاعب الكازاخستاني اللاعب السابق ديمتري لأن ممكن الصعوبة أو الستارت فاليوم يكون
Di nakasali si Nikita sa Olympics, di ba kasi di siya naging neutral? Oo. Si Nikita Nagorny hindi siya nakasali kasi yung nga. Tsaka may alay army si ano eh, si Nikita Nagorny. Alay din siya ni Putin. Kaya sayang. Merong pinangalan kay Nikita na somersaults. Ang pangalan doon is Nagorny. Wala pang gumagawa after sa kanya. Ito si Yuri, magaling to eh. Isa to sa mga aabangan natin as times goes by. Bata pa. Last year lang siya nakasali sa ano, sa senior. One of the best din to si Yuri. May Instagram siya, follow nyo. Yuri Guimarais. Oo, si Nikita lang nakakagawa doon sa floor ng malinis. Oo, si Nikita lang nakakagawa ng Nagorny. Si Carlos Yulo, tinatry niyang gawin yung Nagorny pero di niya talaga magawa-gawa. Namamali siya. Reserve pa rin sila po, Rosauro Villages. Oh, may drop. Yuri drop of score. From 14.0 to 13.933. Because of those deductions from his executions. It's fine, Yuri. Jogo Soares of Brazil. Difficulty, third best in qualification. Xiao Sosa, 6.0 difficulty. 6 best. Dang Nox Wang Chen got a 6.1 difficulty during the Pommel Horse Finals, then 14.733 qualification score. It's a great improvement from Vietnamese. As we now have here from Brazil. True. Alagaan na si Coach Mooney, promise. At saka mga Vietnamese, madali sila maka-adapt, madali sila matuto ng mga difficulties. Pag tinuruan mga Vietnamese ng ganito, ang bilis nila mag-improve. Imagine mo, dalawang Vietnamese ang napasok sa finals dito. Magaling talaga sila. Big salute and respect for Vietnam gymnasts. Yeah. DCTGA. Nice fan news. Nung SEA Games, hindi nag-score ng 14.733 yung ano niya, yung Vietnamese na yon sa Pommel Horse. And because of Coach Mooney, wow, great job. Panoorin natin si Diogo Soares ng Brazil. Mamaya ko babasahin ng mga comments nyo. Diogo Soares of Brazil. He got 4th best on qualification. He had a 5.9 difficulty. 8.666 execution score. And I don't have the score, total score. Well, anyways, let's see how he will improve the 14.566 total score during qualifications.
دييغو حاصل على المركز الرابع.
Nice one. They need to have at least 2 seconds hold. Aw, sayang.
ضربة مسيطرة
Nakatama sa side ng bar.
خصم
Deductions for that. Some wiggle in the handstand in the one rail. Medyo not good ang mga transition niya. Hindi ganun kalinis. Adjustment. Good job, Diogo. Good job. Although there are some very minute mistakes, but he did well.
جملة جيدة للاعب ما فيها أخطاء كبيرة.
This is a good job for Diogo Soares. May mga mali lang siyang slide, yung tumama sa rails yung paa niya during the transition. Some adjustment and also leg bending. Then he didn't hold the handstand also. Yuri is there. Women gymnastics. Nice one, Diogo. Sana nga mag-goal dito si Carlos Yulo, but he needs to improve his executions. Well, para sa akin, mas dali ang parallel bars kay Kaloy kaysa sa floor. Nice job, Diogo. And the score that he got is 14.433. I'll drop in the execution score. Yeah, 1 whole point, a tenth of a parallel bar. Love lang tayo, ha? Love na, Rex, and wag tama na ang away. Tama na po, wala nang away-away. Love na tayo. Nost. Yeah, kaparehas ni Levy, nag-upgrade sa finals. Ano ba pinakamataas na nakukuha ni Yulo sa P-bar? I think 15.5 and 15.4 nakakuha niya sa P-bar. Dapat ayusin to ni Yulo kasi para ma-secure niya ang gold or else mag-bronze lang siya dito. Cute po nila mag-fight. Ay, that's Ramos. Wag na, tama na. Okay na, love na tayo. Love na, Rex. Chill na, relax na. Yes. Alright. .5 difficult, ang taas nun, no? Pero madumi, alam mo yon si Chinese Taipei. Xiao Sosa. We have here Xiao Sosa of Brazil. 4th best in qualification. Yes, Xiao Sosa, 6th best in qualification, 6.0 difficulty during qualifications, 8.5 executions.
يبدأ اللاعب سوزا.
Nice transition, Xiao.
سيركل مع نسخة.
Good one. Medyo hindi masyado no-hold ang handstand. Arcing. Deductions. Great height. Wow, that's it. That's the difficulty, Xiao. Great job.
اللاعب.
Nice flight, Xiao.
لحد الآن اللاعب ممتاز. أخطاء قليلة.
Great hold, Xiao. Come on, Xiao. This is awesome job for Xiao. Maybe near to 15.0 score. Awesome job, Xiao.
برافو.
This is awesome. Bravo, Brazil.
راح تكون ممتازة.
This is a great job. Maybe 14.9 or near to 15.0 score.
سوزا.
Nagmamadali lang talaga sila sa mga executions nila eh. Same with Chinese Taipei. Kung nagdahan-dahan lang sila, ginawang take their time, wala lang problema sa parallel bar mag-take ng time, mas tataas ang scores nila. Ano lang siya. But that's good. Maybe 14.7 or 14 point, below 15.0 score.
إن شاء الله جمهور غفير موجود في الصالة. الصالة تقريبا ممتلئة من الجماهير. نشكركم على حضوركم لمنافسة الجمباز.
Ang naging problema dito ni Xiao Sosa, yung mga ibang executions, medyo kailangan pang linisin. Nice planche. Wala namang masyadong adjustment. Pero I can say na medyo malinis dito si Xiao Sosa.
سليم.
14.5, yeah. 14.566 for Xiao Sosa here.
66.
5.9 difficulty. We have here Xiao Sosa, 4th best in qualification, 8th best in qualifications, 5.5 difficulty. And from Brazil, Mariano Arthur, 4th best in qualification, 6. Sosa of Brazil, the 8th best in qualification, 6.3 difficulty, 13.966 score during qualification. So welcome Xiao Sosa.
اللاعب البرازيلي اللاعب سوزا كان حاصل على المركز الثامن.
Wow, it's Casina. You will do the whole batch? Wow, oh my god. Anong tawag doon? Hindi mo ko ang tawag doon eh. Comment down below what that's called. Straight catch up. Straddle, more catch up. Xiao. Wow, Yamawaki. Whoa.
هذا يعتبر connection.
Great connections for Xiao Sosa. He did it well. Awesome job, Xiao.
اللاعب البرازيلي.
Wow, it's amazing. Great job, Xiao. Viva Brigada Brazil! Viva Brigada Brazil! Congratulations, Xiao. It's good to see you. You're back on track now. Actually, Xiao Sosa, he just came from surgery. Katatapos lang niya ng surgery and he did it well here. He just recovered from surgery. He did a lot of rehabilitations. Nagka-problema siya sa, I think it's knee surgery or leg surgery during a practice in preparation for the World Championship. He did a lot of rehabilitations. Then he is back on track. But I believe he will not do the vault because that will be very dangerous for him. Emma should be competing for beam floors sa World Cup. Kasi Buena got a beam spot today with a fall on beam. Yeah. Great to see Xiao Sosa. Awesome job for Xiao Sosa. $14.366 for Xiao Sosa. Good job, Xiao. Ahas! Mataas ang score ni Lithuania kahit mababa ang difficulty kasi very clean ang execution. 14.33 si Arthur Mariano. Because of the high execution of Lithuania, high execution score, get a good score. Sa Angel Barajas medyo madumi yung mga executions kahit mataas ang difficulty. Wow! Ay, sayang! What happened?
يبدو أن القفاز
ayun no.
المنيك انقطع.
Sayang, ayun, kinulang.
ما ينحسب للسقوط راح
Ay,
تعاد الحركة.
Kinulang na kasi Arthur. It's fine, Arthur. Oh my God, I hope okay lang siya. Sana okay lang si Arthur. Nasira yung ano niya. Yeah. It will not be considered as mistakes. Kasi may that will not be considered as mistakes kasi
نعطينا اللاعب وقت عشان يرتاح ويبدأ مرة ثانية الحركات.
Napatid kasi yung pang-catch niya eh. Yung sa, I don't know what's the name of that in his hands. So the score will be back to 0. He will start again. That is not considered as mistake. Nagkaasa yung sa kamay, yung ginagamit niya lang. Anong po tama? What's the name of that he's using in their hands? I'm not particular of it.
لاحظ مرة ثانية الوقت اللي
Ayun oh, nasira. So we start from the beginning. Go Arthur. Let's go Brazil.
سهلة مش حركة طيران، مرات يكون خطير في الفينش أو في الحركة سريعة ينقطع الحفاز. يبدأ اللاعب البرازيلي مرة ثانية على جهاز الأغلى.
Let's go. Yes, that's it.
هذه الجملة من البداية يعني ولا كأنه بدأ ما يكون في أي خصم أو أي شيء.
Nice one. Although there are some adjustments. Yamawaki. Straight catch up. Straddle catch up. Let's go. Yay! Amazing job, Arthur. Amazing job, Arthur.
ينهي اللاعب آرثر حركاته على جهاز الأغلى. اللاعب الأخير
May mga knee bending lang or elbow bending ng slight. Angel Barajas has a good difficulty. It's just the executions that needs to improve more. Like more finesse. Grabe, lakas ni Arthur, oh. King Arthur. Bronze medal in floor during the Rio Olympics 2016. Mariano Arthur, 14.533. So Angel Barajas will not be on the podium. And the special ranking that we have now is Tang Chua Hong of Chai Saipei for the gold and naando pa si Arthur Mariano.
الذي يحرز الميدالية البرونزية ب 14,533.
Thank you very much Doha Qatar, the Kingdom of Doha for hosting this very beautiful event, very well organized event. Robert Trovagal for the silver medal of Lithuania.